Okay, folks, back here in the truck again. I'm still in Illinois. I'm going to take this yellow Spanish rice, Iberia, and I'm going to take it and put it in the pot there. First, what I usually do is I take the pot and then I spray it with some olive oil because I'm going to put some, it sets in there. What's nice is this doesn't turn with this pot. This is the Instapot Pro Crisp dual air fryer. Anyhow, I'm going to take and use chicken broth. It's 1 pound, which is 4 cups of liquid, and I'm going to put it in here. That's it on that. And this is 4 cups of rice, so you use 1 cup to each rice even. Let's see here. Okay, and then I'm going to take, just kind of straighten it out there a little bit. Okay. I'll get ready, set. Okay, that's what it looks like down in there. It's the broth and the rice. Now we're gonna put the lid on it and get it set up. Okay, I'm gonna set the lid on this thing and set it up. Okay, that's all there is. You just put it on there. We're gonna put it on pressure cook. And actually, I'm gonna set it at 5. 5, warm off, and then I'm gonna cook on high and hit the start button. And that's all there is to it. And it'll start. Like I said, this here Instapot, you just put the lid on it. It automatically locks for pressure cooking, and the weight, as soon as the pressure builds up, the weight will lift up on it, and then in a few seconds, then it'll start building up pressure, and then it'll do the 5-minute pressure cook, and then we'll let it do a natural release, and then I'll bring you back and we'll show you how that come out. Okay, it's getting ready to lid the seal on the weight is getting ready to lift here in just a second. It's building up pressure. Okay, the weight's getting ready to come up. It almost popped that time. Getting ready to. There she is. She's sealed. All locked, sealed. It just hit end, and pretty soon the lights will go out, and then we got to wait for the natural release. Okay, it's all done. I got to open her up. I haven't seen it yet, so let's just take a look at it here. Okay. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah. Well, it was right to the end on the juice, so on the broth, chicken broth. Okay, it's done. So let's see about trying out, seeing how it come out. It's hot though. Oh yeah, they're good. Very good. Anyhow, y'all have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Till next time.